Hello and welcome to another episode of Britannia Cheese Star Chef, where we are going to be making yummy, delicious recipes with a cheesy twist. Hi, Saif.
Hi.
Hey, how are you?
I'm all right, thank you.
So, are you ready to cook another yummy, cheesy recipe with me?
Yes, absolutely.
So, the recipe we are making today is cheesy breakfast burrito.
Oh, excellent. I'm really excited about this.
So, let's get the ingredient checklist. We need to heat the pan first.
Okay.
So once the pan is hot, Saif, you need to add a little bit of oil. And then you have these chopped vegetables right in front of you.
Yeah.
So we need to saute these. It's got zucchini, it's got peppers, broccoli, all yummy stuff. And we just need to saute the veggies. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, herbs, yes, and chili flakes.
Chili flakes. My wife loves chili flakes. She can't live without them. Yeah, can't live without chili flakes.
Wow. And what about you? Do you love like spicy food?
I like spicy food, yeah, but not as much as her. She's like crazy about spicy food.
So what's your favorite cuisine?
I mean, I love Indian food. I suppose Italian, Chinese, Japanese, all kinds of food.
How about Mexican?
I haven't eaten much Mexican food, That's why I'm excited to make this burrito today.
Oh, if your wife likes spicy food, she has to try Mexican because it's so close to Indian food, it's unbelievable.
I know, I can imagine. I want to learn how to make this well.
So you can transfer it back into the bowl. It'll be easy for you to handle.
Okay.
So now we need to take the tortilla, which is right in front of you. We will put lettuce. On one side, we'll just put these.
How much lettuce? About 2 pieces?
2 or 3.
All right.
Because it tastes really good in a burrito. This is the really crunchy thing that the burrito has, right? So these are the veggies that we prepared.
Yep.
So we don't need to stuff it too much. So leave say half an inch from all sides.
Okay.
And then fill it up. So it'll be easy for us to roll it. Now we'll use this Britannia block cheese, which is kept in front of you to make this recipe even more cheesy and yummy. So the stringy texture and the cheesy flavor is awesome. You'll love it. So we need to grate it on top of the...
This is kind of perfect for Mexican food, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Now we fold the top end and the bottom end. Now on the left hand side, you take that side of tortilla and start rolling it up, and we need to secure the filling inside, and at the same time we need to roll the tortilla so that everything is inside. You'll get a roll like this. Heat the pan, put a little bit of oil.
Okay.
The side of the burrito which is open, that has to go down first.
Okay.
Otherwise it will open up, yeah? Here you go. You can press it a little bit. Awesome.
Do we roll it?
Let it cook a little bit because it'll give a nice texture to the burrito and it'll warm it up as well. Yeah, just keep checking if it shouldn't be too warm, I mean, it shouldn't burn. And we need to do it from all 4 sides, huh? Now we take it out on the chopping board.
Ooh.
See, I'm going to cut it into diagonal, okay, from the center.
Okay.
We take the knife and diagonally, I'm going to in one stroke. And parallelly, we'll grate a little bit of extra cheese on top of both the pieces. So it'll become more cheesy. As you know, the cheese has so much of protein, it's good for kids as well. So if you make it less spicy, I'm sure Temo is going to love it. And you can serve it with a little bit of salad on the side.
If I was doing it for like Taimur, I could make some funny face options.
Yeah.
Well, I've been eating all these dishes and now learning them with so much ease. You can try these dishes at home and share your food shots, tagging us on Facebook and Instagram at Britannia Cheese. It's time for you to know the winner of Britannia Cheese Star Chef. Stay tuned.
Don't forget to send in your unique cheesy recipes and get a chance to win exciting prizes. And Saif and myself are going to be choosing the best recipes and they'll get a chance to get featured on the show.
So goodbye till next week. Till then, keep cooking with the best.